Alright, here's our bait. Red. It's basically dead red from like the deli sausage rolls things. We're in New York. We're gonna do some fishing in Central Park. Look at the, I think it's a koi or some other type of carp. It's really big. I'm not sure if it'll take our bait though. These are the sunfish that we're going to be trying to catch. What's going on, guys? Back to the video. Today we are here at New York. So finally my holidays started. Me and my family came here after my Batam trip. That video should be released already. So it's my first day here and it's like really tiring. I just got off like a 19-hour flight. So what I have here is the SGFR Aqualite, and we're going to be fishing here at Central Park. So this is the pond. So we're going to be putting on some small hooks and trying out. So found the tactic, you just have to put the bait on the tip of the hook. Don't put too much. Should be able to get one. Alright, we got some bread on the tip. Oh, got it. I thought I lost it there. Nice. What is this? Some bluegill, I think. Nice, first fish. Wow, nice bluegill. So today we're just here to catch some of this bluegill and like sunfish and all that stuff. It's pretty nice, it's pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna let this guy go. Alright, so we do have to catch and release it, so I'm gonna release this guy. Alright. Alright. Nice, what is this? I have no idea. I don't think it's another bluegill. No, sorry. I don't think it's another bluegill. I have no idea what this is. Comment what this is. I have no idea. Just gonna let him go. So we're gonna try to set the hook the other way. Try and get some bluegill. Oh, yes. Nice. Bluegill. Nice one. So only like the bigger ones can actually eat my bait since my hook is like quite big. Well, I think this one's my PB. It's bigger than all the other ones that I've got. Yeah, it's quite big for a bluegill for me. Yeah. So setting the hook the other way really works. Oh, what is this? Oh, what? Wait, I caught this. I was trying to catch some largemouth bass. What is this? Mouth bass. But this is like a lot bigger than the bluegill. I caught it on some Trigger X rubbers. What is this fish? What? It's, I mean, it could be like a crappie. I'm not sure what fish this is. What is this fish? Yes. Oh, the chicken can drag. Yes. Oh. last fish of the day. Green bluegill. Let's let it go. Green sunfish, not bluegill. Oh no. Okay, bye bye.